दिग्विजय सिंगान विजय सरदेसायाक काँग्रेसीत यो म्हणला ते खंय दिग्विजय सिंगाचे वैयक्तिक मत. काँग्रेसीक विजय सरदेसाय नाका, फातोड्ड्या तरी नाकाच नाका. दिग्विजय सिंगाची फाट जातनाच फातोड्डेच्या काँग्रेस ब्लॉकाचे कार्यकर्ते मिडिया कडेन उलयले. फाटली 4 वर्सां खंय विजयान फातोड्ड्याक कांयच कामां केल्ली नात.
Every time that Digvijay comes and sets its foot in Goa, his outburst is something which is very amusing to see and to hear. As Vijay Sardesai should remember that his performance in Fathoda has been a total failure. Vijay Sardesai's outburst time and time again about the Congress is something which is not needed at this hour. At the same time, we do not need jugglers from jumping from one spot to another. Vijay Sardesai, yesterday's outburst by Vijay, I think the thing about Digvijay Singh, who was here yesterday, his views were about his own personal opinion he had to say about the Congress, not about what Vijay Sardesai wants to say about the Congress.
काँग्रेसीक विजय सरदेसाय नाका जाल्यार काँग्रेसीचो गोय प्रभारी दिग्विजय सिंगान ताका यो म्हूण आपयलो कित्याक म्हूण मिडियान तावारिसाक 2-4 आडवे तिडवे प्रश्न घाले. ताची जाप पळयात.
Vijay Sardesai somehow believes that he is the most wanted MLA or the most wanted candidate in Goa. He believes that he is the CM candidate. Don't have anything personal against him. But it's because of all this that is happening in Fathoda that people are fed up over there. They are too scared of him because many people have businesses and they can be targeted. We are quite aware that he makes frequent trips to Delhi. I'm pretty sure it is not to expand Goa forward in Delhi. I think he should focus more on his because he also kept that caveat that if at all the old people leave, then he'll join. Why does he need to say that? He started his own party.
And why does Mr. need to say this also that Vijay join Congress?
I'm sorry?
Why does your God as Pinchal?
I think he said it is his personal opinion. It is his friend, he said. If I saw the...
As Pinchal, does he as personal?
No. As official, he said join the Congress. Okay. What I'm saying is, as far as I remember, what what came on the news, he said that he's a personal friend and he's telling him to join the Congress. Is that right?
But he said, I would like to ask Vijay to join Congress.
Yeah. No, on behalf of the whole Congress party, or especially Goa bloc, I don't think so. Because we already expressed.
But what he represents, when he comes here down to Goa, he represents a Congress party. He doesn't come as a personal here. No?
That's true. Yeah. We have made it very clear to Vijay that we, even the last time he came and this time as well, that we do not want him in Fathoda.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.
आरोशी दर्यादेगेक आडकल्लो पोंटून कापून काडपाक जिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान अरिहंताक ऑर्डर काडली. आयतार मेरेन तो काडलो ना जाल्यार सोमारा खंय थंयचो लोक रस्त्यार येतलो. आमदार अलिनान संबंधीत खात्याच्या ऑफिसरांची कावेलोसी बसका घेतली. अरिहंत कंपनीची चौकशी जावंक जाय म्हूण ती उलयल्या. म्हयनो जालो पोंटून आरोशी बिचार मोंगरून पडला.
They will give us the final say. Whatever they say, by Monday they don't start. By Sunday they don't start the work. By Monday we will come on the street.
Same action, same answer. आमलो तोच. जोरी तो आमची मजें तो ती ये बुकार सोरोन ती नाता इतलो तेम जालो ती हें करपाचो दिता. पूण सद्याक तेचे वयर कोण जबाब दिनाय, कोण तेचे एक्शन घेनाय, जाल्यार आमी स्ट्रीट पड मुखार येवपाक पड म्हणटा तांणी हाड रावचें नाय. आमकां कितें जाता तें आमी करतले मागीर.
पालवी पोर्ट्स कॅप्टनाक मिडियान पोंटूनाचेर विचारले. ताची जाप ऐकात.
इतको टाइम लागलो सर हेचे खातीर. सी म्हाका ते सांगपाचें कितें जाणा मरे. It is already ma'am has discussed and you know actually why the permissions are getting delayed. I only say that government authorities should work more responsibly.
आमदार मंत्री अलिना अरिहंत कंपनीची चौकशी मागता. पोंटून खंय ताणी काडपाचो.
I'm very upset that it appears that we are meeting, debating, and at the end of all the debates we've had till date, I don't see any concrete action being taken to remove the pontoon. And I definitely am with the villagers. The villagers are agitated. It's high time because the monsoons are approaching, and I had visited recently and I have seen that the pontoon is sinking. So if we don't start the operation by tomorrow, there will be many more repercussions that we'll have to face. So I request all the concerned authorities to ensure that by tomorrow the necessary permission is given. I request the concerned authorities to start investigating who gave them the permission and definitely take them to task.
इतल्या मजगती शुक्रारा सांजे दक्षिण गोंयच्या जिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान आरोशी दर्यादेगेक आडकल्लो पोंटून कापून काडपाची ऑर्डर अरिहंत कंपनीक काडल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशान परब.
उपसभापती आणि सांत आंद्रेचो आमदार विष्णूक जीएमसींतल्यान शुक्रारा डिस्चार्ज दिलो. अकस्मात जिवाक बरें दिसना जाल्ल्यान विष्णूक फाटल्या शेनवारा मेडिकलांत घाल्लो. एंजिओप्लास्टी करून ताचे 2 ब्लॉक काडल्यात. प्रेसांव हालिल्ल्यान फाटले कांय दीस तो दोतोरांच्या नजरे खाला आशिल्लो. शुक्रारा ताका डिस्चार्ज दिलो. घेवया एक विराम.